Evening. So, nieces and nephews, I've got a kitchen staple for you tonight. We're making a spice mix, so it's nice and simple. This will only take us a few minutes in the first place anyways. Tonight's taco seasoning is actually pretty simple. We're taking 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, or cumin, however you want to pronounce it, 2 teaspoons of sea salt, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika. Now, because of the amount of chili powder in here, I'm not using smoked paprika. I'm using sweet paprika, or just paprika as it's listed here in America. Then a half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of onion powder, and a half teaspoon of dried oregano. Take it, stir it all together real quick. I'm just using a small whisk here just to make sure it stirs together thoroughly, kind of like, well, I think it stirs better than a spoon does for this. Now, since how we've mixed a few tablespoons of things together, I'm using a small jelly jar for storage with a reusable lid on it. Now, when you're using this on recipes, figure about 1 tablespoon, or at least 2.5 teaspoons usually, is about what's in a normal packet. So, but obviously, use as much or as little as you like to season your meats with, or your proteins. I mean, you could put it on your beans. So there you have it, a taco seasoning. And don't forget, hit the like. Please hit the subscribe so you can join the tribe. And then make sure you click that bell and set it for all notifications so when I upload videos, you get notified. And please, watch all the way to the end. I'll leave a recipe in it, as well as in the description is the recipe and a link to download a printable. Okay? Bon appetit!